Hi, this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life and welcome back to my channel. This is going to be another process video for Off the Board where we take something from our Pinterest board and there is a little bit of a sneak peek of the video. So that is the layout, and the layout is from Julie and it is off of my Pinterest. I will link it down below. Obviously, you will see that I have a little bit of a different setup, and that is because I am on vacation and I am actually at my good friend's Fran's house. She invited me over for Thanksgiving, and so essentially I am using her. I went all out. I have never done an apple, so I hope this all turns out. You don't get anything fancy dancy from me like you would if it was from one of my videos, because I don't know all of that true little apple things. However, at least you get to see the process and you get to see the other things, and then it should be good to go, right? That's about all I can do. So essentially, I am following it too closely to what it actually is. So this layout, you're going to see me actually do this twice, because the first time when I saw this, I was like, ooh, this is like a winter type one, and this will be perfect for my dog for December documented, because it's going to be my first time that I'm documenting Asher because of when we got him. And you guys know that when I start to scrapbook my December documented, it is always a year behind. I never do the year that I'm in because I want to enjoy the year that I'm in and then scrapbook it, the following year. So with that being said, obviously we didn't get Asher until June of 2020. So this is going to be the first time that I'm going to be documenting because I'm a whole year behind, right? So I'm definitely going to be doing this layout or this style again, but I can't wait to show you guys exactly what it's going to look like and all of that fun stuff. So I did get out my shimmers and I got out my black paint, and I am definitely going to be doing some splattering and just adding that because that is what's in the layout as well. And I just wanted to make sure that everything looked good and splattery, and got this cute pink. It is a golden roses. Oh, this blank paint stick. I think it's where I have it. I'm not sure. I get a little bit of water in there, and I think it's because of where it's at. So, I gotta move that thing. I just got to. And, so here I am taking the photo. The photo is of my daughter. She decided to, do a bunch of black actually she wanted her hair. I think this is one of those days. Oh, yep. It was one of those days where she wanted to have, curls in the night before. So I braided her hair, and then she came down, and this is what it looks like. This is one of those particular times where we were learned from home for our school last year, and it worked out perfectly because obviously we work in the same district, so I was home as well. And she came down, she was getting ready for school, and I remember this day because her laptop wasn't working right because she has a Chromebook, and I remember we had to literally put her on the kitchen table because that was the only way that it would work. And for whatever reason, I had her on my school laptop because I bring that home during Learn From Home, only because if her laptop goes to crud, I've got an extra one for her. And so I remember that she was stuck down there, and it was just funny. So what I decided to do is that I cut out a bunch of these little bigger pieces, and I do cover up that big old splot that you see there. And I just want to do like what Julie did on her layout, and I place a bunch of different stuff around. So here I am. I'm just cutting off some things, making it look good. I add this unicorn because she's definitely a unicorn to a lot of people. And I'm making it to where all of the goodness is. I wanted to put down this Insta camera, like it's from Instagram, because they have that style now. And just really go to town on what this looks like. I think this one turns out well. So while you're watching me embellish, make sure that you go check out everybody else that has done this as well. All the lists will be down below. Make sure that you like and subscribe to everybody. I know me personally, I am super close to my 3,000 subscriber giveaway. I would love to have it done in the month of January of 2022. And I would love to be able to get that out of the way for the year so that next year I can work on getting 4,000 subscribers. I just can't believe that within a year I ended up having 1,000 of you guys add, and that's just awesome. I would love to just keep growing and keep doing what I love to do, which is scrapbooking. I know that there are so many people out there that are quitting or just don't want to do the amount of time and all of that, and I just love doing this. I'm so close of being done with grad school. I've got a year left, but I mean, it's going by so quick that once I get done, you guys will see definitely a lot more time from me, because I don't have that time sitting there trying to write grad school papers and all of that stuff. Believe you me, guess what I'm doing while I'm up here at Fran's house? Doing grad school. I'm sitting down doing discussion questions. I've got a 700 word essay that I got to write. And let me tell you, I still haven't written it because we had a bunch of stuff that went on. And I'm like, good Lord, well, it is what it is. And I'll take care of it and we'll get it done. So that's what I'm doing tomorrow. You know, the greatest, the best, it always happens that way, right? So I'm working on that, but I can't wait to see what next year will bring. And then everything else. We're just getting super close. I hope that everybody has a fantastic Thanksgiving. If you celebrate, if you're in the United States or in any other country that you follow me. And if you do anything like this, I hope that you guys all have a safe and wonderful holiday. I add this bird because I think it's pretty cool. It's cute. I think it just works. I think everything on here, I think my title is definitely going to be Hello, Be Bright, Be Bold, Be You, because that's definitely my daughter. I do add these two little pieces up top because I think it works out perfectly for this particular layout. I think it fits my daughter so much. And so the title is going to be Abdorbs up there because they're like talking to us. And that's how I kind of play into that. And then I do come in with some llamas, and I add some llamas, and then I add some funky stuff down on the bottom. But first, I do finish off these enamel dots. I get these enamel dots done and over with because I think that they are good and perfect. And I kept playing around. I really wanted this cacti in there because she can be kind of salty, kind of prickly, kind of, you know, that's just my daughter. So I was like, nope, I'm going to add those, and then I add some more dots. And I do know that I come down below and finish that up as well down there. Obviously, I do have the still shots. They are definitely coming up. Oh, I remember. I wanted to add another little piece here just because it looked cool. I added so much to this. Like, it's just crazy in the amount of stuff I added. But it works out. And so I add this little scallop there because I think it breaks up that color. And I like to bring in that black because I use so much black. Splattering wise, I do bring that in, and I'm pretty much done. I wanted to add this another rainbow because I think right here it actually fits the section pretty well. Kind of brings in everything together. So here are the llamas. I think they're llamas, alpacas, who knows, whatever animal you want to call it. I add two of them in here because I think, you know, sometimes KJ can be kind of salty. I think it fits pretty well. And then I think that's pretty much it. I think I add some splatters and that's it. So I am going to leave you with some music. I am going to leave you with the still shots. Just know that I am trying to do my best. I know that I wasn't able to do a lot of the editing, but you got what I got here and it works out wonderful. I'm just glad that I was able to upload this while I was on vacation for you guys so that I could still partake in this. So there it is. I hope that you guys all have a wonderful day. Stay safe and have a wonderful day. Bye.